Uyangithola muzi. Phumara indawo zami nami lezo. Hometown. Don't you miss Neo? Lanhlanyetsa Luna. Ibile not Luna because you guys don't even know who Neo is. But wait, now I'm Lanhlanyetsa. Yo! Yeah. Yo, ay. Kashisa. Orile position engihleli kuyo. Ay. Hlale no minion wami enginele ubaby eGold Reef City. Muntu wami meka ngikho ngenza so. Meka ngikho. Never did a number on you. Nah, I even forgot that they guys used. I wish to meet you soon. Guys, if I do a meet and greet, y'all gonna pull up at Mall of Africa. Probably when like the schools close. Y'all gonna pull up. Just a young meet and greet. Probably play some games, go karting. Is there bowling at? No, there's no bowling at Moa. Some fun. How many sneakers do you have in total? More than 20. But I only have like 3 favorites. Unless I'm matching a fit. Have you ever dreamed of going to Dubai? Obvious. Oba no ngafuni ke Dubai. Yo. Futhi mina bengise airport. Yeah. Ngeke ngalenda mina eDubai guys. On my way to Russia. Silende Dubai. Ngeke ngaphefumula umoya wase Dubai. Mama. And unuka kamnandi kanjani? Anoma unganuki njengalutho but like unuka kamnandi loya moya loyathoni. Awufani nomoya wase South Africa. Uyezwa nje ukuthi ya lesa smell lesa loya moya loya wabantu abanemali fucked up. Thando, did you see the guy that made a song for you? No? Other than that, I should be studying, but my brain's busy saying, Thando. Other than that one, no. Come to Namibia soon. Do you want to sleep? No. Because I'm a night owl. Okay, I'm a morning owl. AM's owl. Like I always sleep tomorrow. No matter how tired I may feel today, I will always sleep tomorrow. Always. At school, they made me. Yeah. They told me to write about my room, not wrote about you. Really? What you say? What you say about me? Huh? everything. Lalaxas affects. Wishing pregnancy locates you. Return back to send. So you meet her in a chomi. Zoba right? Girl, you're at home. No. I'm currently like on my way to ShopRite right now. I'm walking on the streets. It's like a 20 minutes walk to go to ShopRite. Yeah. Hey, some people like, what the fuck? Ubuzi parcel pali. Uzombuzu guti. Is this a hand fan? Go to your bone guti. Ay, yo. That's abanye abantu. Ay. Panda yeko guys. Ubo. I always see the street lights. I'm taller most. We are poorer than Puma. Simple. Babes, where do you write your exams and does Impact give you a register? Yes, they do give me a register every time I write. And I write them at school. As you are cooler when compared to Thando 2 years ago, like Senkuli lang from Kambaman. Kule fucked up. Tell us how you spend your day today. I woke up at 9 a.m. I was writing first session and second session today. Woke up at 9 a.m. Woke up. First session starts at 9 a.m. I woke up at 9 a.m. Got ready, bathed, got ready for school, went to school, arrived at school probably like 20 minutes to 11. And then, after that, when I got to school, I wrote my English exam. After my English exam, I had like a break for like an hour. Then after that, I wrote my tourism exam at 2 p.m. And then I left school at 5 p.m. And then I came back home. As in Temnandi Choni, I school now was 12. I mean, I'm pillar soft shem. Like, I'm thinking an alarm. I don't need an alarm to say, hey, wake up, you're going to school. Yes, Vugela. Yes, it's all I'm Do you have a Stanley Cup? I used to. Up until I forgot it in the Uber 2 days after my birthday. And that was my birthday present from my mom. And she doesn't know till this day that it's lost. I keep on saying Panda has it. But I don't know how I'm gonna tell her that it's lost. Shoot my head! What's up, JC? Do tourism, business, consumers, maths lit. Have you ever been to Mpumalanga? Yeah, but the rural sides. How many phone cases do you have? For my iPhone 16, I have 2. And then for my old iPhone 14 Pro Max, I have like 22. I'm so Thank you, Thank you. Thank you. What's your name is? Never mind. Send another gift. I'll remember you. My cover is 22. And like, they're useless because I don't use the phone anymore. And like, ngizowayenza ahleli nje lapha edrawini ayaguga and stuff. Woo! Guys, I got myself a blazer. Thank you, got myself a blazer. Chill. You are effortlessly funny on Drink with all the truth. I don't think I'm funny. I don't think I'm funny. I think I have my own. Like, I don't think I'm funny. When I low comment and you block, it's a pay. It's a pay over and so snow. Wouldn't go block. As on block. Yo, yeah, cha. Bye. Have a lovely day. Now Thando was conjuring. And Thando was pinned. Thando was pinned. And tell I one of my tell I two of my milk. I three chai. Block. Hey, don't leave. How are things in? Well, it is so cold. Woo! Thank you, Amu. It's not cold in my room. But whenever I get like outside my room, I get cold. Hey, Lindsay, yo. How was school today? It was tiring. I didn't swim in lion or I didn't broke. Ninjalo was nonke la 2.2 people. Nonke broke. Nzima ne. Angifuna ukuthi mina lion. Kodwa nizini ngithanda. Funi lion. Ngiphi lion. Funi lion. Are you the only child? Nope. I laugh every time I'm watching it. Tough. Hey, thank you. Have you got that number? It's fine, show me, I understand. It's okay. My phone's on 7%, so I'm gonna have to leave anytime soon. Yo, sis. Hey, uzolunga ntwana. Itlogoloma la yone ho shapo ha enlume. Ho shapo. Guys, must I send the lion? Umbuza bani? Is Panda arrested? For what? He's still a free man. Don't worry about it. Nothing is gonna happen. Hey. Hey. Sometimes ade kuhleke nje umuve on. Ngabo izinto eziningi mfana man. Kindly sing for us. I cannot sing. You must come to Addis again. Thank you, Amu. Tell me if famous can. Angazi nami mfethu. Yeah, makanina niyadakwa ne. Like angazi ukuze nibuzile or what. Like mangichufa. Nithi nywe Thando, hey stop what stop chufing, stop your lungs nini. Mingachufi. Where's the truth? Ah! Kanjani? Mina ngi-high vele. How? Yeah. Thando lethu uzoba right mfethu. Uzoba right mfethu. Hayi. Ngiphendula nokuphendula. Education is the key to success. Yeah, take that key and open the door you want. Nobody's stopping you. Nami, Galo. Hey. Galo yena. Hey. Yo. Ay, wena Thando lethu msunga nyoko nefamily yakho yonke. Azongijwayela amasimba ngisunyoko ngisumamakho. Asazani na futhi. Difference between mina nawe ukuthi wena wazi mina and mina ngikwazi. So ungazongijwayela kabezwa. Sumngani wakho angazongijwayeza ngobani. Suyihlo mina. Fuseke. Sorry guys. Now, where was I? How was y'all's day today? Was it good? Thank you, Amu. Homework ungiphe yona. Ngiphile. Ushilo ukuthi Thando naye homework aboyibhala. Thatha. Ushilo. Wamu, are you a blazer? I told you guys I got a new blazer. Joking. Hey. That's my favorite nkamba fere msunganyo. Msunga gogo wakho msunga nyadlala. How? I'm just saying. I'm not swearing you guys. Yeah, sure. I'm just saying. Like ihambelana na yonke into ungathukana noma ubani ngumsunu. Ungasho ukuthi msunu wakho okumsunga nyoko okumsunga sibanibani uyangithola muzi. Like thank you. Bless her kinemali. Hey, acho mke wabona phi bless broke. Izokublessa ngani ngepoverty. Izokublessa ngani ngepoverty. What is umsunu? No, umsunu. What soon is this thing here? See the extra hair, you have here. This extra hair, lower triangle. Soon, Lord. Soon. Ngisukufundisa ukuthuka askis ngikhohle ukuthi askis, sorry, but I'm just saying umsunu lo awungazobona umsunu yini ke bayibizani ngesilungu ke ukuthi ngingasho ngesiZulu yini le bawubizani yini akusumsunu kanti umsunu, but like nge-English yini ke ngoba ngathi ngicabanga ukuthi nyanithuka yini ke nge-English edges na man musunu aletse go msunu ke eng lona musunu ke ntwe you see your hair, your natural hair, and then like it's fine, I see you again. Hi. Ke futheki bile. Ka Sotho ke futheki. Ntwe. Ke futheki ka Sotho. And then ka Zulu ke musunu. Ke futheki ka Sotho. Afisa mo ka Zulu ke musunu. Ka Sekgowa ke eng do? Windows peak. Ya ka Sekgowa. Windows peak. Manje thina abomsunu nabo futhex bathole yo hayi oh widow peak widow fuck that, you know what I'm trying to say. Ugh. Comments are moving fast. I saw window. Widow. Okay. Yeah, that thing. That is Msono. Would you ever come to Namibia? Yeah. It's cold, yo. Really? The way mina ngisha kanje ngisho nekhwapha liyajuluka. Ngathi ngikusona. Yes. Cause my phone's on 2%. I'm gonna have to love and leave you guys. Listen. I'll be back. I'll be back, truly. I'll be back. It's on 2%, and I don't wanna go live while charging it because it's gonna overheat. What time? I don't know. Can't tell you guys that. You'll see when I go live, whether it's today or tomorrow. I will be back. Okay. I love you guys, and I hope you guys have a nice day tomorrow, and I hope you guys have a lovely night today, and I will see you guys when I see you guys. Bye guys. Love all of you guys, even the haters.